Hey guys, it's Thursday. I have no idea what time it is, but look at what just rolled in. Meet Scott. Scott English. Say hi, guys. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Scott was here a couple, I don't know, 3 months ago, and he actually came back. I don't know. Look at this. There's no words. I have no words. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Oh my God. You don't mind me taking pictures of it? Oh my God. Wow. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Wow. Hey, you told me something about the leather seats?
Leather seats are from a tannery over in Italy that supplies Ferrari with their leather. So
Wow.
everything was hand done, hand sewn. The running ponies on
Yep.
here resembles the 1966 edition. If you got the pony interior,
Yep.
you'd have Mustangs running on the leather. So they actually made the dye to send to Italy to have that leather stinger.
I'm beyond jealous.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Can we take a look at the power windows? That just makes me crazy. Of all the simple things on this planet. Check this out, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Watch this.
No hand cranking. No hand cranking.
It's such a simple thing.
It's great.
What are the other options you got on it?
Oh, there's a lot of cool things. The things that are really cool is that basically maintain the integrity of a 1966 or a vintage vehicle. So every knob and every different control still does that same thing. So my lights are actually my lights,
Yep.
although they're modern halogens. I've got my fog lights are my fog lights. I've got my high beams on the floor.
Oh, yeah. No button. Yep.
Got my little controller for my side view mirror.
Oh, nice. And that's power?
That is not. That
not?
you got to use a cable.
Oh,
It's
well,
cable. In that position,
Yep.
when it turns night,
What did it
that's
do?
night. And it just kicks it up a level.
Oh.
So the person's high beams are in your eyes.
Okay. I was waiting for something amazing to have, like
that's
lasers come out.
That's 1966 version right there.
Okay.
That's the way they did it.
That's too
That's
cool.
the way it happened. So I've got old and new in the car.
Very, very cool.
So I'll show you the. This is not your average 289. 66 that came with a 289.
Color, man. Look at
Unfortunately,
this.
that is
Look
that
at
is
this. Look at this. That is amazing.
So that's
man.
it's actually really neat. I can mess with Ford people.
Yeah.
So they say they love the car, and they give me any type of aggravation about it not being true vintage vehicle.
Hey,
I bring them around and I show them a GM motor. I say, my Ford has a Corvette engine in it. So
wow.
about 460 horsepower.
No
Car
kidding.
weighs 2,600 pounds, so that's a lot of get up and go.
Yeah. Wow.
So they did a nice job putting that in there.
That is just effing beautiful. Look at that grill. Whoa. I just sold one of these.
Nice.
Wow. Very, very cool, man. You just made my YouTube day. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow. Very, very cool. Ah. Yeah, it's beautiful, man.
One of the coolest things too is so the AC unit, they actually, that part right there is an original 1966 part because you can't buy that today.
Really, yeah.
Most all these parts, like this is all 1966, but most every other part on here, like this is a 1966 mirror,
Yeah.
but they make it today.
Oh, they
So
do.
every part here, this body is actually made today.
Yeah.
Every part, the wiper arm, because they sold over 1 million of these.
It's all aftermarket stuff.
It's all aftermarket. This is actually licensed through Ford.
Yeah.
So it's the only Ford licensed maker of a resto mod if you made today. So the great part about it is literally if you need this latch, okay, you can buy that brand new today. If you have a 66 Mustang and that part breaks, you can buy it today, replace it. So every part on here is brand new, but it is for a 66 Mustang. Everything is steel. There's no fiberglass. There's no, you know, any of that. So
very cool, man.
That's the part that's awesome about it. Is it looks like a 66. The door panel is a 3D door panel. It takes them 4 days to build this, but it looks exactly like the original. You know, the seats, everything looks like the original, but it's just a little different. The wheels look like the hubcaps on a 66. But you look at them and you're like, wait a second, that's not what. And you're like, oh, that's awesome. It's just modernized. You know,
that's the way to do it, man.
So to me, it's really cool. You keep the integrity of a vintage car, but I have power steering, power brakes. Like, you could stop the thing. A 66.
No.
You know.
See, that's my philosophy when I used to remodel homes. Okay, you want an old home, but you don't want somebody to come in and make it look like an old new condominium.
Absolutely.
You want to keep the feel.
Keep that integrity.
But I want a dishwasher, and I want a
all the modern conveniences.
Sub-zero refrigerator, you know, and make it look like it belonged there.
Absolutely.
And
that's a fine line to be able to do that balance.
Yeah, and it takes a lot. But damn, you got an hour and a half ride home, but man, you got a fun ride.
All right, buddy.
Good seeing you. You have a good one, man. Tell Miranda I said hi.
I will. I will.
I'll shoot you the YouTube video later.
Nice.
See you, man.
I like it. Later, man.
Listen to that. Just sounds good. Oh. It's like sex.
You cannot do that with a 66. A 289 will not do that.
Damn. See you, man. Be safe. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Damn. Yeah. Oh, that was Scott. Listen to that go. That's a man having fun. That's what it's all about. Why live if you can't do that, you know? Damn. What I've been thinking, I've had quite a few very cool vehicles come in here. It's everything from like 1954 Chevy pickups to tractor trailers, bikes, Harleys, you name it. I've had all kinds of cool stuff drive in here and cool people. And what I'm going to start doing is doing videos on them. Scott was my first one. He agreed to show off his Mustang. And damn, if I had one, I'd be doing it too. That's a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. All right, guys. That's it. I'm wrapping it up. He also brought over some great flavored bourbon. Basil and strawberry. And I can't remember the other one. But damn, they were good. Whew. All right, guys. You have a good day. Weekend's coming up. Don't forget, we're open 10 to 4, Saturday and Sunday. Look me up on Brick House Salvage and Antiques on everything. Just make it easy. Google it. Everything will come up. Talk to you later. Let's have a great day. See you.